Now, from flat cloth mops that just smears, dirt around, to spinning pads that looked fancy but spread the mess further, to rollers that tried to scrub but fell short on tough stains. The story of robot mopping has been one of small steps until now. Today, we're diving into the evolution of mopping technology and showing you how the Narwal Flow has completely redefined the game with its real-time FlowWash track mopping system. Now, back in the early days, companies like iRobot gave us the first generation of flat mop, basically a wet cloth, dragged across the floor. Now, the problem with this is that it had no active scrubbing. It's also very inefficient because there's no way to clean itself, and as soon as the cloth got dirty, you were just pushing grime around. Effective? Not really. Then came the second generation, which is the spinning mop pads. Now think of the Narwal T10, one of the first to actually self-clean its pads. These dual spinners mimic human hand scrubbing, which was clever. But there was still a catch. Once the pads got dirty during cleaning, they kept spreading that dirt until they made it back to the base. So you'd get better results, but not the deep clean people were expecting. Next up, the roller mop. Now this design was used by companies like Eufy, which introduced self-cleaning, finally, right? But the roller mop was thin and narrow, meaning it had limited floor contact. Yes, it did better on daily maintenance, but when it came to stubborn stains like dried coffee or sticky spills, it just didn't have the pressure or the coverage to finish the job. And then comes Narwal Flow, what I'd call the fourth generation of mopping technology. Now here's why this system is different. It's not just wiping the floor. It's not just spinning circles as well. It's not just rolling with light contact. Instead, the FlowWash track mop is large, thick, and highly absorbent mop that applies 12 newtons of pressure, about the weight of 3 soda cans, pressing down with real scrubbing force. And here's the breakthrough. While it's cleaning your floor, it's also cleaning itself in real time. 16 water outlets continuously spray 113-degree Fahrenheit warm water onto the mop, dissolving dirt instantly. It also has a maintenance-free scraper that scrubs away the grime, sending dirty water into the separate tank so it never touches your floor again. This means the mop is always fresh, always scrubbing at full power from start to finish. Now, what does this mean in real world? It means those dreaded sticky stains don't stand a chance, whether it's dried ketchup, thick mayo, or coffee rings. Narwal Flow erases them in one smooth pass. And because the track mop extends within 5 millimeters of edges and corners, it doesn't leave behind that annoying strip of dirt other robots miss. Now at the end, you can even wipe the floor with white tissue and you'll see that it's spotless and has no residue. Now let's recap the evolution of mopping robots. Gen 1 was the flat mop, basic cloth, no scrubbing, and spreads the dirt. The Gen 2 is the dual spinning pads, which is better scrubbing but no mid-clean self-cleaning. And then Gen 3 is the roller mop. This adds self-cleaning but thin and weak on stains. And today we're looking at Gen 4 Narwal Flow, which has a track mop, has a real-time cleaning, warm water, scraper, pressure, and also edge-to-edge coverage. Now, this isn't just an upgrade. It's the first time robot mopping feels like a true replacement for manual scrubbing. Now, over the years, every company has tried to bring us closer to the dream of effortless floor cleaning. But only Narwal has constantly pushed the industry forward. First with the self-cleaning in 2019, and now with the FlowWash track mopping in 2025. Now, this isn't just the next step, it's the new standard. Because for the first time, your robot mop isn't just cleaning itself, it's cleaning for you. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the Narwal Flow. If you have any questions at all, please ask that in the comments below. I'll see you guys over there. Make sure to subscribe and like this video as well. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!